Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the first subject based video class for this channel. The first topic is the introduction to Java. This is the important topic for your board exam or your school exam. Everyone will watch the video till the end. At the end, I will explain the important question from this topic. So, let's start. If you are new in this channel, you can see the I button in the introduction of this channel video, and if you want you can see it. Before enter the topic, I have divided this topic into some sub parts. That are, first one is the procedure oriented programming, the second one is object oriented programming, the bytecode and object code, and JVM and the main features of Java. So let's start. The first topic, that is the procedure oriented programming. Here we saw the new word, that is procedure. What is procedure? If you see it in the dictionary, the procedure means it is an establishment or doing in something, special way or doing something. So computer means the same. That is, the first one, a language that follows a procedure. That means a language that follows a procedure means it follows some procedure or some rules that maintain to write the language. The second one is it can follow a step-by-step approach. Step-by-step approach means the first one, then the second one, third one, fourth one, the step-by-step approach. Then third one is each step follows a sequent manner so that the computer can understand what to do. That means computer understand what to do means the computer can understand the step-by-step approach. So computer understands which type of language is used, what is the procedure maintains here. That is the main motto or the main structure of this procedure oriented programming. The example of the procedure oriented programming is number 1, that is C, number 2 Algol, and the number 3 Cobol. 3 are the language of a procedure oriented programming. So the another top one, that is object oriented programming. The new word that comes here, the object. What is object? Only this video I will just explain the definition of the object. The another video I will explain the total parts of object and class. What is object? Object is a real world entity. Real world entity means the pen that I write here in the board, it is an object. The chair that you sit and see my video, it is an object. The car that you travel from one source station to destination station, the car is an object. So object is a real world entity. Now I will divide the basic difference between a procedure oriented and the object oriented that can help you for your exam. So let's see the board. Here the basic difference, the procedure oriented and the object oriented. First one is a large program is divided into smaller segment or procedures, and another one is object oriented, is program is represented as an object. The second point is it follows a top down approach and it follows a bottom up approach. Top down approach means top to bottom. The approach that means follows this part, and it follows bottom up means the program maintains this part follows. Okay. The third one is it is less secure and it is more secure. The security is very high in this object oriented programming part and it is very less secure. Adding a new data, it is very difficult to add a new data in this program, and it provides an easy procedure, and that is the example point, not in the another point of the difference. This is the only the example point, that is it is C, Algol, Cobol, and here example C++, Java, C#, etc. Okay, so it is the basic difference between a procedure oriented and object oriented. Students, if you want, you can screenshot this difference that can help you for your exam. So here in object oriented programming, the four main characteristics of object oriented programming, that are abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance and encapsulation. If you want these topics in properly, so you can comment me. I will surely make a video on this characteristics. Okay, let's go to the another topic, that is the source code, object code and byte code. So Java source code. What is Java source code? Java source code means, what is Java source code? Java source code means a set of instruction written in a programming language that is called a program. That is called a program means the written in a programming language. That means if I write a basic program of Java, that is, this is the basic structure of a Java programming. This called a source code. Source code means written in a programming language. If you are a beginner, you can write the Java programming or Java source code in your notepad or your BlueJ format. You can see this is the basic format structure. When you can compile it, what is compiler? Compiler means to check the full program, that is the any error find or not. If there is any error find, the compiler will show that the error find on this line, or if there is no error, the compiler will show there is no error. So after the compile, the program source code is transformed to the byte code. That means the source code is transformed to the byte code after compilation process. Okay, so here we find the object code. Object code means it finds only it is a low level language or a machine level language. So what is low level language or machine level language? Low level or machine level language means the computer or JVM can understand this type of language or this type of code. So this is the basic difference between a source code, byte code and object code. Source code means the basic structure of the source code compilation process. Then we find the byte code, and here at the end we find here the object code, that is a low level language as well as this is a machine level language. The JVM only can understand it. Here the another topic, that is the JVM. JVM full form is Java Virtual Machine. What is Java Virtual Machine? It is a virtual machine that enables a computer to run a Java program. That means first, when you write a program, that is called a source code, the program is first checked. Who checks this program? The compiler checks the program. The compiler checks the program. If there is any error, compiler will show you that the line is error. If there is no error, compiler show there is no error. Then the compilation process is forwards to the run, or the run process is enables in this JVM. So it is a virtual machine that enables a computer to run a Java program. The last topic, that is the features of Java. Features of Java. The main features of Java, only 4 points, that are that it is very simple, it is secure. Why secure? It because of it is a object oriented programming, and it is a platform independent. So here I explain the important question from this topic, that are the first one, the difference between OOP versus POP, that means the object oriented programming versus procedure oriented programming, that you screenshot in previous. The second one, what is byte code and object code. or if you like to write the difference between a bytecode and the object code. The another one, that is what is JVM, that's basic definition only, the JVM. The fourth one, that is what is the main features of Java. That 4 points I wrote in the board. If you really gain knowledge from this video, you can write it in the comment, or if you have any related question from it, you can also write it in this comment. So subscribe my channel and share it with your friends or any other groups that are really want to learn computer, and also like the video. See you in the next class. Thanks for watching my video. Tata.